Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. So let's start. First open the WhatsApp app. Here you can see this is my very old account. I'm using it till this day. Now let's back up the conversations. First tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now tap on chats. And then chat backup. Now tap on backup to back up your conversations. When you are done, close the WhatsApp app and open Google Play Store and search for Dual Space app. This app is completely free, so download it and open it right now. This app has many apps, so beware of that. Here you can see the app suggestions for cloning. Now to clone an app, tap on the plus icon and select the app you want to clone. But for this video, I'll just clone WhatsApp. I'll select WhatsApp and tap on clone. And the clone WhatsApp app is ready. Now open that app. Now you have to set up a new account. Tap on agree and continue. Now enter your phone number and tap next. An OTP will be sent to your phone. Now tap continue. When you receive the OTP, enter that here. Oops, seems like I have mistaken. So I'll just go back to the Messages app and check out the OTP once again. Now tap on skip. If you have backup for this number, then tap on restore, otherwise tap on skip. And then tap on skip restore. Now enter your name. And if you want to add a picture, then tap on the camera icon. I'll just stick with name. And then tap next. And my second WhatsApp account is ready. Now if I close this app and open the original one, you will see that this account is intact. And here you can see the original WhatsApp app and the clone WhatsApp app side by side. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.